Smudges on your phone, fingerprints on your fridge, streaks on your glasses, and oily marks on your laptop screen can make even the cleanest home feel messy. Wiping with shirts, paper towels, or random cloths only spreads the grime around and often leaves scratches. That is where Jiffys come in. These reusable, stick-anywhere cleaning pads are designed to erase fingerprints, smudges, and dirt in seconds without sprays, chemicals, or disposable wipes. If you want a faster, smarter, and more satisfying way to keep your most touched surfaces spotless, Jiffys might be exactly what you need. What is Jiffys? Jiffys are reusable, washable, restickable cleaning pads designed to remove fingerprints, smudges, streaks, and grime from everyday surfaces with a single swipe. Instead of using paper towels, tissues, microfiber cloths, or cleaning sprays, Jiffys work completely on their own. You simply peel one off, wipe the surface, and stick it back in place when you are done. Each Jiffy set comes with multiple pads in 4 different sizes, so you always have the right pad for the right job. The largest pads are made for appliances like refrigerators, ovens, and mirrors. Medium pads are ideal for laptops, monitors, and tablets. Small pads are perfect for phones and touchscreens. Extra small pads are designed for eyeglasses, watches, and camera lenses. What makes Jiffys different from traditional cloths is that they are designed to live exactly where fingerprints happen. You stick them on your fridge, next to your mirror, on your dashboard, or even on the back of your phone case. That way, whenever you see a smudge, your cleaning solution is already waiting for you. Jiffys are made from a proprietary chamois polyamide tri-blend fabric that is micro-woven to safely clean even the most delicate surfaces. On the back, they feature a special silicone gel adhesive that sticks and resticks hundreds of times without leaving residue. They are infused with antimicrobial material that disinfects surfaces without chemicals, making them both a cleaning tool and a hygiene solution. Over 200,000 units have already been sold, and Jiffys have been featured on major platforms like Good Morning America, Gizmodo, Wired, and The Grommet. They also come with a lifetime replacement warranty, meaning you buy them once and use them for life. How does Jiffys work? Jiffys work using a dual-layer design that combines advanced cleaning fabric with a residue-free adhesive backing. The front side is made from a micro-woven chamois polyamide tri-blend material. This fabric is engineered to lift oils, fingerprints, watermarks, and dust from surfaces without scratching or streaking. Unlike paper towels or rough cloths, the fibers gently trap grime instead of pushing it around. The backside of each Jiffy uses a silicone gel adhesive that sticks to any smooth surface. You can attach it to your fridge, mirror, phone case, dashboard, laptop edge, or inside your glasses case. The adhesive is strong enough to stay in place, but gentle enough to peel off without leaving marks or residue. When you see a smudge, you simply peel the Jiffy off its spot, wipe the surface clean with a few quick swipes, and stick it back. There is no need for sprays, wipes, or cleaning solutions. The antimicrobial material inside the pad kills harmful bacteria and disinfects the surface on contact, giving you a cleaner surface without chemicals. When the pad gets dirty, you rinse it under water and let it air dry. This restores both its cleaning power and its stickiness. Once dry, it works like new again. You can repeat this process hundreds of times, making Jiffys a long-term solution instead of a disposable product. The result is a cleaning tool that is always within reach, works instantly, and never runs out. Features and benefits of Jiffys. Jiffys are designed to solve one of the most annoying daily problems: constantly wiping fingerprints and smudges from everything you touch. Phones, glasses, refrigerators, mirrors, tablets, laptops, and TVs all collect marks throughout the day, and most people rely on tissues, shirts, or paper towels that are not designed for these surfaces. One of the biggest benefits of Jiffys is how fast they work. With just one swipe, fingerprints disappear. Whether it is greasy marks on stainless steel appliances, streaks on mirrors, or smudges on phone screens, Jiffys erase them in seconds. Another major advantage is that they stick exactly where you need them. Instead of hunting for a cloth or spray bottle, your cleaning pad is already waiting next to the problem area. You can keep one on your fridge door, one by your bathroom mirror, one on your car dashboard, and one on the back of your phone case. Jiffys are completely reusable and washable. When they get dirty, you rinse them with water and let them air dry. There is no need to replace them and no need to throw anything away. This saves money over time and reduces waste compared to paper towels and disposable wipes. The antimicrobial material built into the pads helps disinfect surfaces without using chemicals. This makes them especially useful for phones, tablets, and touchscreens that carry a lot of bacteria throughout the day. They are also safe on delicate surfaces. The proprietary fabric is designed to clean glass, camera lenses, eyeglasses, and screens without scratching. This makes them safer than wiping with your shirt and more effective than standard microfiber cloths. Each set includes 4 sizes, so you always have the right tool for the job. Large pads handle appliances and mirrors. Medium pads work well on laptops and monitors. Small pads are perfect for phones and tablets. Extra small pads are ideal for glasses, watches, and camera lenses. Jiffys are slim, flexible, and lightweight, so you can store them anywhere without taking up space. You can stick them inside cabinets, on appliance sides, on car dashboards, or inside bags and cases. They also last longer than traditional cloths. Instead of wearing out quickly, Jiffys can be rinsed and reused hundreds of times. And if one ever stops working, the lifetime replacement warranty ensures you will get a new one. The end result is a cleaner home, cleaner devices, and a faster, easier cleaning routine. How to use Jiffys. Using Jiffys is incredibly simple and requires no learning curve. The first step is to decide where fingerprints and smudges appear most often in your home or on your devices. Common places include the fridge door, microwave, bathroom mirror, phone, laptop, tablet, car dashboard, and glasses case. Once you choose the location, peel off the backing and stick the Jiffy onto any smooth surface. The silicone gel adhesive will hold it securely in place. When you notice a smudge, peel the Jiffy off its spot and wipe the surface clean. Use gentle pressure and a few quick swipes. You will see fingerprints, streaks, and grime disappear instantly. After cleaning, simply stick the Jiffy back in its place so it is ready for next time. When the pad becomes dirty or loses some stickiness, rinse it under water and let it air dry. This restores both its cleaning ability and its adhesive strength. Once dry, it is ready to use again. There are no sprays, no wipes, no batteries, and no chemicals required. Just stick, swipe, and restick. Jiffy's pros and cons. Jiffys offer a long list of advantages that make them stand out from traditional cleaning tools. The biggest pro is convenience. Because they stick directly to surfaces, they are always within reach. You no longer need to search for a cloth or cleaning spray when you notice a smudge. Another major benefit is reusability. Instead of throwing away paper towels or wipes, you can use the same Jiffy hundreds of times. This saves money and reduces waste. The cleaning performance is also impressive. The micro-woven fabric removes fingerprints and streaks quickly and safely, even on delicate surfaces like glasses and camera lenses. The antimicrobial material adds another layer of protection by disinfecting surfaces without chemicals. The 4-size system ensures you always have the right pad for each surface, from large appliances to tiny lenses. The lifetime warranty provides peace of mind knowing that your purchase is protected for life. On the downside, Jiffys are designed mainly for fingerprints, smudges, and light grime. They are not intended to replace deep cleaning solutions for heavy grease or stuck-on food. For very dirty appliances, you may still need a traditional cleaner occasionally. Another consideration is that you need smooth surfaces for the adhesive to stick properly. Rough or textured surfaces may not hold the pads as well. Overall, the pros heavily outweigh the cons for everyday cleaning and maintenance. Price and where to buy. Jiffys are available in several bundle options depending on how many sets you want. A single set is priced at around $29.99 plus shipping. There are also bundle deals such as buy 2, get 1 free and buy 3, get 2 free, which include free shipping and significant savings. Each set includes 11 pads in 4 different sizes, giving you plenty of cleaning power for your entire home and all your devices. Jiffys come with a lifetime replacement warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them risk-free. To ensure you receive a genuine product with full warranty coverage, it is recommended to purchase directly from the official Jiffys website. Conclusion: if you are tired of wiping fingerprints with your shirt, wasting paper towels, or dealing with streaky sprays, Jiffys offer a smarter solution. These reusable, restickable cleaning pads erase smudges in seconds, stick wherever you need them, and last for years. With antimicrobial protection, 4 practical sizes, and a lifetime warranty, Jiffys turn everyday cleaning into a fast and satisfying habit. For anyone who wants spotless surfaces without hassle, Jiffys are a simple upgrade that makes a big difference.